So I'm in the Richmond Deer Park. So and like no deers in here. Be in the surrounding which my eyes fail to see, and so see like a lot to speak on the constellations, and so here, so this place, so there is one movie where in which Soundarya acted. So like about the snake. So usually the five-headed snake. So like let's see if there is a constellation. Like you must get into the clear of the eyes. So you must see a blue five-headed snake like sitting or rotating or shining. So let's see the sky. Actually it's so the wind is gone actually. So and again the constellation in this certain places, it is like this centipede, centipede constellation, usually a giant prawn or a like a what is that, a mollusk. So or not a crab, but a centipede actually. So that constellation is seen in this Aryanur junction, and so how my roads make these constellations through roads, and so and I remember this one because lastly when I was there in Aryanur I saw this constellation. So I was just daringly sleepy due to the Mediterranean drowsiness. So actually in the Mediterranean region, usually after this Uttamasolapuram, this Bermuda's Triangle and all of that, we just get and drown into the Naikarapati lake. So one such thing happened just like that. So I'm searching for some place to sit, like I could sit here itself. Yeah, so like the Naikarapati lake drowning into the Mediterranean, and along the, so just for a conclusion I'm saying about these, I'm remembering certain of these. So wow, again I found one mountain similar to the Palamalai, and the Caspian Sea. So this Pulambati lake, and so the barrage road, the Amapetai and all of that, and on that side we have the cross bridge, and so like then what else, and the Bhavani Sagar reservoir and the height of the hills there, And so actually the crab constellation, one of that was in the Sangagiri mountain catch. So something like that. So that was a very nice during one Amavasai or some regional moon day. So like was catching the constellation in the Sangagiri fort and all of that from the outside. So something like a catch. So then this black body radiation, so this perpendicular fall of the from the black hole, so like in the this Scotland Yard, so like there usually there is one German cemetery also there, and so like usually that one place I remember about this my friend, my very close friend, so of Germany, Prince Philip, so like and the apple trees and all of that, and the mercury levels and all of that, and the chest and that. So then constellations, like lot of constellations happen, but most during when my father takes me out along with my mom. So there are a lot of constellations we have seen, but mostly I sleep. So and most at the previous time I was not very much interested, but if it comes to the studies, I have to certainly go through and get a collection. So and like and everywhere where I go and take a video, I certainly need to be made assured whether something back is very clear and all. And okay, then all of the and also the Caribbean Sea, and so after Caspian, coming to the Caribbean Sea and the Costa Rica and the Jamaican Islands is in the separate side. So Jamaica and all of the surroundings, and so it is like Greece, this Jamaica also on the along the island. Next on the land it comes the Greece and the Germany next, and interiorly we have the Italy and the Amalfi Coast, and so the Amalfi lemons, and we also have this Amalfi onions and all of these and sprouts also. And so in the middle of the Italy, it is like a very nice place, and it belongs to the government of France. So and also like we have all of that, and we have the plutonium and the deuterium, and the two peaks resembling that, and also and so like so, and also that side it's Norway, and the Norway and the symbols, coat of arms of Norway, and it is like a heart symbol resembling a heart with two snakes, giant snakes, and in the bed of thorns. And then like after Norway, Netherlands. So Netherlands are full of beautiful spices and rovers, and full of lakes, walking lakes, and so burst and all of the um, things. So then after Netherlands we have this um, like this place. After Netherlands, what place is that? It's like we have Finland also, and Atlantis, and so then we have the coat of arms of South America, and also the coat of arms of Uganda, and also, and so like after the Netherlands, then we had this places, many places are there to say, and so then we had this Atlantic surge, this Palamade and Palam, and so then actually there's one more place called Namibia, and all of that is there. And actually Nigeria I'm familiar with almost, and so then what? Then it is so the regions, again I thought of one region, I don't know, like okay, we'll come to this Finland. So that was also very nice place yet to discover. So there is a region of Finland, so there is a coat of arms of Finland, and so then was like what region, actually like in Uganda when I was there. So here the Uganda is closed. So I was saying you we are in Uganda. So Uganda has different kind of hiding places, and so there might be two roads and a connecting junction. So today I was along the Vikas Gorge, and was very much like okay, I thought of seeing the dam that side, so the Vanyar and reserves forest. So but there was no time, and also like there was time, but it is like what to say, full of wind. So now the wind has stopped, and so like then also like so I was along the Mozambique today, so the Mozambique Islands, and also from there you could see the Mount Olympus, the water, and all of that, the white water, the pallor, and so then like so this is the Karayar Kalgumalai, and so in one movie actually actor used to say, and comedian actor with Kovai Sarla. So then like then other places are like so I was saying about the Uganda. So this Uganda is like full of, and the Canada, I think the Canadian side, so like it's full of Tirumani Muttar overflow path, and it's almost of black soil and an empty land. So We'll continue in the next video.